In 1990, Hemant Dadhe took a bold step. He founded Aayudh Tools with a clear vision to manufacture high-precision cutting tools.
Right in the beginning, it was fixed in my mind. I wanted to start my cutting tool factory. That's why in Telco, I covered the application side. In Sandvik, I covered marketing. In SpeedyCut, I covered manufacturing. And while I was doing my job in Telco, I tried to cover MBA.
Starting from a small 500 square meter workshop, he gradually expanded his business. With strategic planning and continuous innovation, Aayudh Tools evolved into a leading name in cutting tool manufacturing.
Every 2 or 3 months, we developed some new category of tools. So far, for our existing more than 350 customers, we have developed more than 40,000 varieties of tools in this company, the special tools. And that is the process which is continuously going on.
Today, he leads Aayudh Tools with the same excitement that first drew him to the industry.
Development of a factory is not land building and machines. It is development of people.